Yo, it's Guilds, and I'll just be showing you how to downgrade any app from the App Store. Or if you play games like Agario and you want to play on the older servers instead of the new servers, then this is for you. So open up Cydia, and you want to go to Sources, and go Edit, you want to go Add, and you want to type in mohadu31.com/. You want to add that, you want to go confirm and let that install, and then you want to go to search and you want to type in app admin and you want to get this one. You'll know it's this one because it'll say by unlimited apps and it'll have a picture saying jailbreak 11.3, and if you scroll down at the very bottom it will say mohadu31, so that's the one you want. You want to go install and then you want to click install again and then go confirm and it'll install that. You'll have to do a quick respring, that's just a quick reset, and then yeah, you'll have it. So to use it, you just go into the App Store and you find the app that you want to downgrade. So at the moment I've got Agario downgraded so I can play on the old servers. So you hold on update and it'll pop up what do you want to do, downgrade. And then, so this is the only one, these ones here are the only ones that work at the top. Like all the other ones work, but they say, please update to play. So I download this one to play on old servers with not many people. And I think all these ones up there are the new ones. And then once you click on it, it'll start installing it, but I don't really want to do that. Here, I'll show you me installing the same version. So yeah, so I'll click on that one. I don't know if it'll actually do the same version. Yeah, no, I've already got that version, so I've got to do a different version. But it works 100% on Electro and Uncover. Anything iOS 11, this will work on. Okay, cheers for watching. I hope it helped.